Welcome to Mitigation, the original mitigation emergency services and leak detection McDonald's restoration serving Southern California beach cities. We are the original mitigation trademark, patent 2558363 Mitigation, your most trusted South Bay Beach, California beach cities area one-stop emergency full water damage restoration services, construction, leak detection, disaster restoration, plumbing, repipe, hygienist testing and clearance, mold removal, fire and smoke damage restoration, flood damage restoration, ADU, residential remodeling, commercial remodeling, decks, flooring, cabinetry, exterior remodel, interior remodeling, architecture, plans, electrical, bathroom remodeling, new construction residential, EV car chargers residential, 240-volt outlet, tile remodeling, tile flooring, mold abatement, commercial property restoration, demolition, dry out, fire damage restoration, slab repair, stucco repairs, drywall repairs, roof replacement, restaining front doors, restaining cabinets, kitchen cabinets, residential interior painting and interior painting, cabinet painting, apartment painting, commercial painting, HOA management, painting, and full reputable reconstruction of your residential or commercial property. All of our work is guaranteed with a 5-year limited warranty. We do the job right where others failed. We succeeded, and we won, in making sure your property is returned to pre-disaster condition, like it never happened. Let our experts service your emergency needs. We are the most trusted emergency water damage full restoration services in Southern California beach cities such as Rolling Hills, Rancho Palos Verdes, Redondo Beach, Manhattan Beach, Playa del Rey, Rolling Hills Estates, Palos Verdes Peninsula, Palos Verdes Estates, Malaga Cove, Palos Verdes Estates area, Hermosa Beach, Lomita, Carson, Culver City, Lawndale, Gardena, Hawthorne, Playa del Rey, Marina del Rey, Torrance, and much more, where you can enjoy more of your time in what you treasure and value while we get to work for you. And
quality life starts with the correct choice. Our emergency restoration services include 5-year limited warranty. You tried the rest, now try the best. Why settle for less when you can have an experienced water damage restoration, leak detection, plumbing, and comprehensive construction specialists at your home or commercial property? Let us answer your questions at your convenience by calling today 310-533-5400 or toll free 1-800-404-1200.